Did you know that women's metabolism slows by up to 5% per decade after 30? That means losing weight in your 30s, 40s, and 50s isn't the same as it was in your 20s. Without the right weight loss diet plan for women, shedding those extra pounds becomes harder. But don't worry, in this video, I'll share the best diet for women to lose weight, tailored strategies, and meal ideas for women over 30, 40, and beyond. We'll cover the science of women's metabolism and diet, show you sample meal plans, and give you practical weight loss tips for women that actually work with your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a simple diet plan for women, a high-protein diet plan for women, or just healthy eating for women that feels realistic, you're in the right place. So grab your notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have a sustainable diet plan for women that adapts to your hormones, metabolism, and lifestyle, and helps you finally see results. After 30, a woman's body changes in ways that make weight loss more challenging. Hormonal changes like lower estrogen levels, shifts in thyroid function, and increased insulin sensitivity all affect metabolism. That's why a weight loss diet plan for women needs to look different than a man's, or even a younger woman's plan. Muscle loss also begins after 30, which means metabolism naturally slows. Without enough protein and strength training, burning fat becomes harder. Plus, busy lifestyles, balancing work, family, and stress, often lead to skipped meals or reaching for quick, processed food. That's why personalized nutrition for women is key. The good news: with the right diet strategies for women, you can boost energy, balance hormones, and lose weight without extreme restrictions. The best weight loss diet plan for women isn't about cutting everything out, it's about balance. Start with balanced macronutrients, enough protein, healthy fats, and controlled carbs to fuel your body. Portion control is another key principle. Even healthy foods can stall weight loss if the portions are too large. Learning to eat mindfully helps avoid overeating. Hydration and fiber are essential. Drinking enough water and eating fiber-rich foods keep digestion smooth, reduce cravings, and help you feel full longer. Crash diets and extreme restrictions, they may bring quick results, but they're not sustainable. Instead, a sustainable diet plan for women means steady fat loss without sacrificing energy. Following these simple diet principles makes it easier to stick to your plan long-term, leading to healthy weight loss for women that lasts. Choosing the best foods for women's weight loss makes all the difference. Start with lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs. They keep you full and help preserve muscle while losing fat. Add high-fiber carbs such as quinoa, oats, beans, and plenty of vegetables. These foods provide steady energy and help control blood sugar. Don't skip healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and olive oil actually help your body burn fat more efficiently and support hormones. Boost your metabolism naturally with foods like green tea, berries, and chili peppers. They're small but powerful helpers in your diet plan. These nutrient-rich foods for women not only aid weight loss, but also improve overall health, giving you energy, glowing skin, and better focus. To succeed with any weight loss diet plan for women, knowing what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to eat. First, cut down on processed carbs and sugar like white bread, pastries, candy, and soda. They cause energy crashes and make fat loss harder. Limit excess alcohol. Wine, beer, and cocktails add empty calories and can disrupt hormones, making weight loss slower. Avoid high-sodium packaged foods such as chips, instant noodles, and frozen dinners. Too much sodium leads to bloating and water retention. Finally, steer clear of fried and fast foods. They're high in unhealthy fats and calories, but low in nutrients, slowing your progress. Women over 30 often juggle careers, family, and stress, making it harder to focus on health. That's why a diet plan for women over 30 must support hormone balance and stress management. For breakfast, a great choice is Greek yogurt with chia seeds. It's rich in protein and fiber, keeping you energized throughout the morning. At lunch, try a salmon salad with quinoa. The omega-3s in salmon reduce inflammation, while quinoa gives steady energy. For dinner, keep it light with chicken stir-fry and vegetables. This is a simple, balanced meal that fits a healthy diet plan for women. Snack smartly with almonds and green tea. This combo helps fight cravings, boosts metabolism, and supports relaxation. Once women hit 40, metabolism naturally slows and muscle mass declines, making it harder to stay lean. A diet plan for women over 40 must focus on muscle maintenance and energy balance. Start your day with a protein smoothie. Blending whey or plant protein with spinach, banana, and almond milk makes a quick, filling breakfast. For lunch, turkey lettuce wraps are perfect. They're high in protein, low in carbs, and easy to prep ahead. Dinner can be baked cod with asparagus. Cod is lean, high protein, and supports healthy eating for women aiming to lose weight. When cravings strike, enjoy a snack of cottage cheese with berries. It's protein-rich, helps control appetite, and supports bone health. After 50, women need a weight loss diet plan that supports bone health, joint function, and steady energy. Hormonal shifts and a slower metabolism make nutrition even more important. Breakfast can be scrambled eggs with spinach. Eggs provide protein for muscle preservation, while spinach adds iron and essential nutrients. For lunch, try lentil soup with a side salad. Lentils are rich in fiber and protein, helping with satiety and digestion. Dinner should focus on lean protein and veggies, like grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. It's simple, nutrient-packed, and supports weight management. For snacks, go with walnuts and herbal tea. Walnuts provide healthy fats for brain and heart health, while herbal tea helps with relaxation and hydration. Diet alone isn't enough. Lifestyle choices play a huge role in women's weight loss success after 30, 40, and beyond. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Lack of rest raises cortisol, which can cause weight gain and cravings. Strength training is essential. Building muscle boosts metabolism, preserves bone health, and makes weight loss more sustainable. Add daily walking or light cardio. It's gentle on joints and improves heart health while burning extra calories. And most importantly, remember that consistency is better than perfection. Small daily steps build lasting results. Every stage of life, from 30, 40, and 50 and beyond, requires a weight loss diet plan for women that adapts to hormonal, metabolic, and lifestyle changes. Remember, it's not about crash diets. It's about sustainable diet plans for women that balance nutrition, energy, and health. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate progress. Even simple swaps like adding more protein, drinking water, or walking daily make a difference. If you're ready, try one of the sample meal plans for women's weight loss this week, and notice how energized and confident you feel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more weight loss tips for women, and share your favorite healthy meals in the comments. Let's do this together.